Hey, what is up all you do-it-yourselfers? My name is Dylan Taylor. This is Dylan's DIY Workshop, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a door handle or switch it out for a different one. In this case, I changed my bedroom door handle to one like this so that when I'm carrying snacks to my room in the middle of the night, I can use my elbow to open it rather than trying to fiddle around with some other door handle. Hope you guys enjoy this video and let me know what you think in the comments down below. For this particular doorknob and for any that I've actually worked on, there's 4 screws that hold it together, and you can take them out in any order you want as long as you take them all out. So I already took out the 2 that hold the plate on the edge of the door, and right now I'm taking the 2 out of the face of the door, which would be on the inside of the door. Just in case there was a lock on it, you wouldn't want somebody to be able to take the screws out from the outside and just open your door without the knob on it. So you'll see that there's 2 sides to this. One side has this long bit that goes through to the other door handle. That's typically on the outside. So you just want to keep these pieces together, and then the next step is to remove the core, which is sometimes more difficult than others. Here I'm trying to use the door handle to pull it out, my screwdriver, nothing. Trying to tap it so that it ends up looser, but that just doesn't work. And I should have used a pry bar for this, but I believe in the philosophy that the best tool for the job is the one that you can reach. And so I just put my drill right through the center of it and gave it a nice hard hit, and it came right out. So the next thing you want to do is put the other core back in and make sure that the slanted side is going to close on the door on the side that it closes, so that it will close when you just push the door shut, and also so that when you close the door somebody can't just push it open. I've done this wrong a number of times, and don't be worried if you do put it in the wrong way and realize that you've screwed it up and have to take all of the screws back out. So with this door handle, you have to hold the one side down to put the other screw in. Make sure that when you put the screws in, you don't tighten the first one all the way until the second one is almost all the way in. That's just a common practice so that the screws don't end up binding against each other. Once that's done, you can add the 2 screws back on the plate, on the core, and the door should be done. That's as simple as it is to change the door handle. Make sure it closes and stays shut, and if it has a lock on it, make sure it locks. And of course, a quick hi from Zoe, and the video is probably about done. Yeah, I think it's done. We'll close the door one more time. Perfect. Alright guys, that is going to be it for this video, so thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you learned something new, and if not, thank you for watching anyway. And I want to give a huge thank you to all of my Patreon supporters, as well as a shout out to the top tier Patreon supporters, Randy, Robin Bird, and Mike Maxwell. You guys are awesome. That's going to be it for this one, guys. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please share this video with friends. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. We'll see you guys all next time. Peace out.